Hello, this is Mr. Corson. Today we're going to look at a text feature podcast. And this is just an example of what you and your group can create as part of this project. Remember to look at the rubric that was provided for you as part of the grading for this project. So what I'm going to do is give you an example of what a podcast can be like. But I would like you to be much more creative and to be funny, but to be informative and to cover the information that is necessary. Hi, this is Group 3, and we are doing text features. And our four text features are the table of contents, the glossary, the index, and the caption. First of all, the table of contents. What is it used for? Well, it lists the chapters in the books, all of the different chapters that you will find from the beginning to the end of the book. Where's it located? Sometimes it's located on the third page or the second page, but usually it's right at the beginning of the book or shortly thereafter. What's the purpose of this text feature, the table of contents? Well, it tells the reader the name and the page number of each chapter in the book. So if they wanted to go back and be able to find a chapter, they could simply go to the table of contents and find the page number and then go to that page. And remember that the table of contents is not always located in the same place. Next, we're going to talk about the text feature that is a glossary. The definition of a glossary is that it is a list of terms or definitions that appear from anywhere within the book. Generally, the location of a glossary is at the ends of the book. Its purpose is to help the reader to understand what the information that is included in the book is about. It's basically for reference purposes so that you can find out the answers to different things that you might not understand. Next, we're going to talk about the index text feature. It is generally located at the end of the book by the glossary, and its definition is to help the reader to locate things. Basically, it helps to bring information together. It lists everything and its page number. That's its purpose. And it helps me to understand things that are in the book. It's sort of like a roadmap. It helps to guide me through the book and the information that's contained within the book. Lastly, the last text feature is the caption. Well, the caption is enclosed generally underneath and can be found underneath a picture, an image, or a chart. And there's not always going to be captions. But in order to give the proper information, it should be located underneath a picture, an image, or a map. And basically its purpose is to explain the information, to tell what is taking place in the picture, to tell what items might be in the image, or to help you to understand what the map is for. It's very important, especially in books that are trying to show you things so that you can better understand the information that the author is trying to give you. So basically, this is our podcast for the table of contents, the glossary, the index, and the caption. These are the four text features from our group. There are other text features that we will learn about this week that are just as important, but these are only 4 of them. Thanks. Bye-bye.